July 4, 2022 is a Monday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Jacksonville. Dress for heat. The temperature today should reach up to 92 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 60%. You can expect 8.86 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be hot with light rain. Wednesday is going to be hot with few clouds. Thursday is going to be hot with light rain. Friday is going to be hot with moderate rain. Saturday is going to be hot with moderate rain. Sunday is going to be warm with moderate rain. Monday is going to be hot with light rain. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning, some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In our next story, inside a TikTok famous luxury trailer home featuring an office, a laundry room, a 6-seater couch, and a fireplace. Lautner's video has over 17 million views on TikTok. Glory Lautner via TikTok. TikToker Glory Lautner went viral with a tour of her mobile home in Orlando, Florida. In our next story, the most unexpected things on Disney's newest cruise ship, the Wish CNET. A new cruise liner means more opportunities for Disney to include something unexpected. There are so many hidden corners on an enormous cruise ship, and there are Easter eggs everywhere. In our next story, Empires of Crap. Billy Bowles, Teen Prince of Florida. Continue reading below. In 1803, a great conference was held in Tucabachi, one of the Chief Creek towns. In other Florida news, I've had crushes all my life, but I am getting married soon and making a promise to love just one person. Nell Frizzell. Unlike Jimmy Carter, the former U.S. president, I have not committed adultery in my heart many times. But only because Avenue never been married. In our next story, airport staff checks sped up amid disaster movie scenes at Heathrow. Ministers battling to dampen the chaos at airports claim security tests for new workers are being completed in record time as passengers criticized disaster movie scenes. In other Florida news, Listeria outbreak is linked to ice cream, C.D.C says. Big Olaf's ice cream is made by Amish craftsmen at a creamery near the village of Pinecraft, just outside of Sarasota, AC. According to the company's website. In our next story, Disneyland and Disney World are reimagining Splash Mountain to distance it from Song of the South. As a beloved children's company, Disney sure has a host of problematic skeletons in its closet. That's it, Florida. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).